When you're out in the wild, preparing for emergencies or enjoying nature, having the right survival gear is crucial. But choosing the right stuff can be tricky. Some things may seem cool but aren't very practical. So, to help you out, we've put together a list of the best survival gear you should have. Number 20. Excalibur Assassin Crossbow. The latest addition to the Excalibur Assassin Crossbow series, the Assassin Extreme offers improved maneuverability without sacrificing power or accuracy. Featuring micro-high cephalota express limbs and a 15-inch power stroke, it propels bolts at speeds up to 400 feet per second. The included Charger EXT cranking system reduces cocking effort to just 22 pounds. Weighing 6.9 pounds without accessories and 9.6 pounds fully loaded, it's available in a flat dark earth finish and includes a TCT 100 scope, 4 quill 16.5-inch bolts, field points, a bolt quiver, red suppressors, ceasefire decocking aid, and more. Number 19. FX Ranchero Arrow. While it may evoke images of a James Bond gadget, the FX Ranchero Arrow is a serious firearm. This PCP pistol derived from FX's precision PCP airgun shoots arrow bolts at speeds reaching 240 feet per second. Engineered with an ergonomic handle, matched trigger, and robust construction, it prioritizes precision. Supplied with 230-grain bolts, it caters to various hunting requirements, with a claimed effective range of up to 30 yards. For shooters committed to excellence, this pistol offers genuine performance in the field. Number 18. Springfields Machete. Survival Machete builds upon the original Soviet Special Ops design, enhancing functionality for versatility and durability. With a full-profile tang and contoured hardwood scales, it offers superior comfort and balance. Its robust construction makes it suitable for various tasks, from chopping to digging and emergency sawing. The carbon steel blade, 3/8 inches thick, provides the necessary weight and sturdiness. Thoughtful details include an integral thumb rest with a nail slot. It comes with a nylon sheath featuring leather trim and 2 belt loops for convenient carrying options. Number 17. WT Mini Striker. A powerhouse of survival tools designed to elevate your wilderness preparedness with this mini crossbow. Built for speed and power, firing bolts at an impressive 330 feet per second. Capable of penetrating plywood up to 4 inches deep, the WT Mini Striker's slim limb design ensures a compact build, ideal for navigating tight spaces like ground blinds or tree stands. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it offers easy handling, instilling confidence and agility in the field. Plus, its integrated crank system reduces the draw weight from 120 pounds to 40 pounds, simplifying cocking and minimizing stress. Number 16. Zero Breeze Mark II Portable Air Conditioner. The first portable air conditioner for outdoor use. It brings comfort and flexibility to conquer hot, humid climates, seamlessly integrating home comforts into nature. With them, you can play all day and sleep comfortably all night. Fueled by batteries, their air conditioner are compact and effortlessly portable, ensuring easy setup no matter where your adventures lead you. Plus, with compatibility for solar, car chargers, and adapters, you can stay cool and comfortable off-grid for extended periods. Number 15. Top Silent Hero. This isn't quite a Bowie knife, but it's a solid option, particularly for those with larger hands. Its weightiness adds to its utility, especially for tasks like chopping branches. It's impressively durable, with a well-balanced design that enhances its power and ease of use. The 1095 high-carbon steel blade features a Black River wash finish, with a finger-hold choil for controlled cutting. The black linen micarta handle offers a sturdy grip, complemented by lanyard holes for added security. Paired with a durable black leather sheath, this knife is a reliable tool made of premium pure titanium. Number 14. Nordic Pocket Saw. The Nordic Pocket Saw is like an army knife on steroids, perfect for cutting firewood, clearing paths, and removing fallen trees during outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, and mountain biking. Its compact size allows for easy storage in your car, ensuring readiness for any unexpected obstacles. With a 25-inch chain forged from heat-treated high-carbon steel and 33 bidirectional teeth, it offers optimal performance. The elevated handles, made of genuine leather in the premium version, provide a comfortable grip. Number 13. Midland ER310. ER310 emergency radio offers multiple charging options including batteries, solar power, and hand cranks, ensuring functionality even when traditional charging methods aren't available. With a robust 600 mAh battery, it can last up to 32 hours before needing secondary charging. Its hand crank boasts a 10-to-1 listening to cranking ratio, providing an hour of listening after just 10 minutes of cranking. It features AM/FM radio and 7 NOAA weather channels with an automatic scan for the strongest signal, ensuring you receive emergency updates for your location. Additionally, it includes an alert feature for severe weather risks and an onboard LED flashlight for illumination during power outages. The USB output can charge electronic devices, including smartphones. Number 12. Survival Axe Elite. The Survival Axe Elite from Off-Grid Tool is designed to be versatile for urban survival needs. Its compact size saves space and offers multiple functions in one tool, making it suitable for smaller living spaces and survival packs. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to handle for those with limited strength, with features like a glass breaker, hammer, saw blade, nail claw, and hex socket wrench. However, its small size may limit its effectiveness for outdoor tasks like chopping thick branches or trees. Therefore, it's best suited for urban dwellers. Number 11. MyMedic the RECON Kit. The RECON Kit from MyMedic is a top choice for those prioritizing emergency wound care. It's packed with a wide array of supplies, from bandages to splints, neatly organized in a durable nylon backpack with tactical features like molly webbing. Ideal for pairing with rations, shelter, and other survival gear, it's a comprehensive first aid solution tailored for serious emergencies where quick and effective treatment is crucial. Number 10. S.O.L. The S.O.L Origin Survival Kit, compact yet robust, combines traditional essentials with modern gear. Its waterproof case holds key tools for shelter, fire, navigation, and signaling. Featuring a rescue signal mirror, fire starter, compass, and folding knife with LED light and whistle, it's a comprehensive solution. Survival instructions offer guidance in over 60 techniques. This lightweight package ensures preparedness for any wilderness emergency. Number 9. T-Rex Tape. From heavy-duty packaging to mounting tasks, T-Rex Tape offers a range of aggressively strong tapes built for all-weather durability. Whether you're handling simple fixes around the house, tackling tough projects, or venturing outdoors, T-Rex products deliver intense holding power for any application. Ideal for homeowners, craftsmen, and outdoor enthusiasts, T-Rex heavy-duty tape boasts a strong adhesive that sticks firmly to rough surfaces in any weather condition. Unlike ordinary duct tape, its double-thick design ensures long-lasting repairs, and DIY projects are completed easily and quickly. Number 8. EDC MULTITOOL. The Tool King is a versatile all-in-one tool designed to handle any situation. Constructed from durable aluminum and titanium, it combines everyday and emergency functions. From freeing yourself in a car crash with its belt cutter and window breaker to igniting fires with its built-in fire starter, it's a reliable companion. With screwdrivers, measuring capabilities, wrenches, a compass, and a flashlight, it's a compact toolbox for everyday carry, fitting easily on your keychain. Number 7. Readyhour Solar Power Bank. Ensure power outages don't catch you off guard with this powerful next-generation power bank. With a 20,000 ampere-hour battery capacity, it can recharge your phone multiple times over. Equipped with a built-in solar panel for renewable charging, it's shockproof, waterproof, and includes an SOS signal mode. Perfect for emergencies, camping trips, or locations with unreliable power sources, this power bank provides reliable backup power whenever you need it. Number 6. Guardian Water Purifier. In survival scenarios, access to fresh water is crucial, as an average human can only survive about 4 days without it. This water purifier prioritizes providing safe drinking water even in challenging environments. It eliminates 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and sediment, surpassing stringent purification standards. Operating as a 10-liter gravity-fed system, it filters water at a rapid rate of 2.5 liters per minute. Trusted by outdoor enthusiasts and militaries globally, this reliable filtration system ensures access to clean water. Number 5. The Burna 12 Gauge. Become part of the expansive community of 30 million shotgun owners worldwide with Burna's non-lethal 12-gauge ammunition. The Burna 12-gauge kinetic ammunition delivers a significant impact with its 61 caliber fin-tailed projectile, compatible with nearly every 12-gauge shotgun. Upon firing, its clamshell sabots spin for stability, ensuring accuracy up to 100 feet. Providing nearly 20 joules of force, it offers effective stopping power without lethal penetration, making it safe for targets as close as 5 feet. Quiet and recoil-free. Number 4. Atomic Bear Fire Wand. Its paraffin-infused hemp rope ignites swiftly and burns steadily, providing ample time and a generous flame to ignite tinder. The Fire Wand's tube design keeps your fingers safe while making it effortless to apply the flame to wood. To extinguish the flame, simply retract the rope inside the tube. With this compact and portable tool, you can trust that your fire will never go out when you need it most. Number 3. Space Acacia Tent. 3-in-1 Outdoor Dwelling System. This weatherproof tent offers an instant setup for more relaxation and exploration. With a modern glamping tent, proprietary airfloor, and innovative temperature-adjusting canopy, it brings indoor comfort to the outdoors. Its patent-pending ultra-stable structure ensures safety in extreme weather. Made of durable materials, it can withstand rains up to 2,000 millimeters. Spacious enough for 2 or 3 people, the Space Acacia creates unforgettable outdoor memories. Number 2. Jackery SolarSaga 100 Watt. This durable solar generator is carefully crafted for outdoor use, complete with rubberized handles and dual kickstands for effortless portability and quick setup at camp. Its robust IP65 design ensures protection against occasional splashes and light rain showers. Featuring foldable and portable attributes and 2 USB output ports for direct charging, this solar panel is versatile and adaptable. Adjustable kickstands enable optimal positioning, while its compact and lightweight construction enhances convenience during outdoor excursions. Number 1. Emergency Glow Sticks. For outdoor enthusiasts, having a dependable light source is crucial for nighttime safety. These ultra-bright emergency glow sticks are designed to meet this need. These glow sticks emit a brilliant light visible from up to a mile away, ensuring visibility in any situation. With a 12-hour illumination, they provide consistent light for emergencies or outdoor activities like camping, fishing, or boating. Constructed from high-quality, waterproof, and non-toxic materials, they're durable and safe for any environment. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.